Hi, this is a chapter number 1, Matter in Our Surroundings. Some important question answer of this chapter, class 9th, part 3. This is a class of chemistry. If you have newly joined this session, then my name is Rashmi Jhunjhunuwala. I am master in chemistry science. Question number 1, give reason for the following. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell from cold food, you have to go close to it. Answer: the particles of smell coming from hot sizzling food mixes with the particles of air and reaches us. This is called diffusion, and the rate of diffusion increases with heat. Question number 2, a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Why? Answer: the intermolecular force between the particles of water is not very strong, so the diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Question number 3, what are the characteristics of particles of matter? Answer: 1 point particles of matter have space between them. Second point, particles of matter are continuously moving. Third point, particles of matter attract each other. Question number 4, the mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. Density equal to mass per volume. Arrange the following in order of increasing density: air exhausted from chimney, honey, water, chalk, cotton and iron. Air exhausted from chimney, cotton, water, honey, chalk, iron is in increasing order. Question number 5, give reason. 1, a gas fills completely the vessel in which it is kept. The intermolecular force between them, the particles gas is very weak, so the particles of gas are free to move. Therefore, the gas fills completely the vessels in which it is kept. दूसरा, a wooden table should be called a solid. A wooden table should be called a solid because एक वुडन टेबल सॉलिड कहलाती है. क्यों? बिकॉज इट्स पार्टिकल्स हैज़ डेफिनेट शेप एंड डेफिनेट मास और वॉल्यूम. थ्री, a gas exerts pressure on the wall of the container. Answer: the intermolecular space in gas is very much less so the molecules move freely, and when the walls of container it exert a steady force. The force per unit area is pressure. Thus gas exert pressure. 4. We can easily move our hand in air, but to do to the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. Answer: in air there is a lot of empty space between molecules, and the force of molecules is almost negligible. Through a solid blocks of wood, only a karate expert can do this, because there are strong force of extraction between particles and there is no empty space between them. Question number 6. Liquid generally have lower density than solids, but you must have observed that ice floats on water. Why? The ice is 9% lighter than water. This means the ice has less density than water, so it floats on water. Question number 7. What is the physical state of water at 250 degrees Celsius? Water is in gaseous state as boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. Water at 100 degrees Celsius, water is in, it can exist in both liquid and gaseous form. Question number 8. For any substance, why does the temperature remains constant during the change of state? Answer: during change of state, any substance, the heat supplied or released is utilized in phase change. Such heat is called latent heat of. So temperature of any substance remain constant during the change of state. Question number 9. Suggest a method to suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gases. Number 1. By decreasing temperature by increasing pressure. अगर गैस को एटमॉस्फेरिक गैस को लिक्विड फॉर्म में चाहिए तो दो कंडीशन ज़रूरी है, डिक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए और इंक्रीजिंग प्रेशर होना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. वाई डज ए डेजर्ट कूलर कूल्स बेटर ऑन ए हॉट ड्राई डेज? Desert cooler increases humidity of surrounding air. The water particles in air take heat from surrounding objects and evaporate. In hot and dry day, moisture level is very low in atmosphere, which increase rate of evaporation. Because of faster evaporation, cooler work well. That's why a desert cooler cools better on a hot dry day. Question number 11. How does water kept in an earthen pot matka becomes cool during summer? Answer: There are some pores in an earthen pot through which liquid inside water evaporates. This evaporation makes the water inside the pot cools. In this way, water kept in an earthen pot becomes cool. Question number 12. Why does our palm feels cold when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? Acetone, petrol and perfume evaporates at low temperature. When some acetone or petrol or perfume is dropped on the palm, it takes heat from palm and evaporate, thereby making the palm cooler. Question number 13. Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer than a cup? A liquid has a large surface area in a saucer rather than in cup. Thus, it evaporates faster and cools faster in saucer than in cup. Thus, we are able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup. Question number 14. What types of clothes should we wear in summer? Answer. We should wear cotton clothes in summer, as cotton is good in absorbing sweat. Sweat is absorbed by cotton and is exposed to atmosphere, making evaporation faster. During this evaporation, particles on surface of liquid gain energy from our body, making body cool. Question number 15. Arrange the following substances in increasing order of force of attraction between particles: water, sugar, oxygen. Answer. Oxygen, water, sugar are in increasing of order of force of attraction. Question number 16. Give reason. Naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid. Answer. Naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving any solid because of they undergoes sublimations easily. That is a change of state of naphthalene from solid to gas take place easily. B. We can get the smell of perfume sitting several meters away. Answer. Perfumes have high degree of vaporizations and its vapor diffuses into air easily. Therefore, we can get smell of perfume sitting several meters away. Question number 17. Give reason to justify. A. Water at room temperature is a liquid. Answer. Water at room temperature is a liquid because it has fluidity. Also, it has no shape but has a fixed volume. That is, it occupies shapes of container in which it is kept. B. An iron is solid at room temperature. Answer. An iron almirah is a solid at room temperature because it has rigid and fixed shape. Question number 18. What is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius? Water is in liquid state. 0 degrees Celsius, water is in solid state, can be also in liquid state. Water at 100 degrees Celsius, water is in gaseous state, can be also in liquid state. Question number 19. Why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at same temperature? Answer. Ice at 273 Kelvin has less energy than water. Water possesses the additional latent heat of fusion. Hence, 273 Kelvin ice is more effective in cooling than water. Question number 20. What produce more severe burns, boiling water or steam? Steam has more energy than boiling water. It possesses additional latent heat of vaporizations. Therefore, burns produced by steams are more severe those produced by boiling water. मैं पार्ट 1 और 2 इसके ना लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी दे रही हूँ. थैंक यू.